Good day, this is Temitope Aloyanabo, news report from Flip TV. Phyna demands accountability after sister tragic amputation in Dangote truck incident. Reality TV star and BBNaija season 7 winner, Phyna, is calling for urgent justice after her younger sister was severely injured in a devastating truck incident in Auchi, Edo State. Ruth Otabor, who has celebrated her graduation just 6 days prior, was critically hurt when a heavy-duty truck allegedly connected to Dangote Group struck her. The collision resulted in the amputation of her left leg, and medical professionals are concerned her remaining leg may also be at risk. She sustained additional serious injuries to her head and hand. According to eyewitnesses, the truck driver fled the scene immediately after the collision but was pursued and apprehended by a lecturer who witnessed the incident. Disturbingly, Phyna alleges that the police removed the truck's license plate and have denied her family and concerned students access to vital information about the crash or the vehicle itself. Phyna took to social media in emotional posts, directly accusing Africa's richest man and the Dangote Group of shedding the driver and placing material interests above her sister's welfare. She expresses her outrage, stating that she has expected compassion before bureaucracy and warned that if the justice was not served promptly, she would take escalated steps to ensure accountability. Nollywood actress Kate Henshaw also joined the call for justice, highlighting the injustice of the situation and condemning the preferential treatment being shown to the company's vehicle over the recovery and right of a critically injured woman. While Phyna and her supporters demand transparency and redress, the injured sisters remain hospitalized and public outrage continues to grow in hopes of seeing real consequences and genuine care for the victim and her family. Thank you for listening to Flip TV.
Why is he going to the police? What is in the police station that is going to? Why? Why is he going? Because the bike man, my sister, they're in critical conditions right now. Why did the manager not go to the hospital? Why is he going to the police station? And that was they bust my head. Now, this morning, they charged the case to court. They went to court this morning. As at when the accident happened, when they took the truck to the police station, the students that were there said the police did not allow them to make video of the truck. And then they went on to remove the plate number from the truck. Maybe that is for security. Let's say that's for security, right? Okay, fine. Now they charged the case to court this morning. On getting to the court, they realized that the driver does not have driver